Hi everyone, today we are going to make very simple and tasty pudding. It is known as Serradura pudding. It is a Goan recipe and very simple with basic ingredients. So let's get started to the video. So the basic requirement is some biscuit. So here I have taken some Marie biscuit. You can also take some digestive biscuit as per availability. So we need to put it into a blender and we need to finely powder it, or you can also coarsely powder it, whichever you prefer. Generally it is powdered very fine. It's okay even if it is crushed coarsely. It gives a nice bite. Along with this, we will also be crushing a little bit of roasted peanuts and some almonds. And then once this is ready, we will keep it aside and then we will start the whipping process. So here I have taken around 3/4 cup of whipping cream. We need to whip it till it forms firm peaks. So along with this, once the cream is whipped, we can also add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of condensed milk into it and then whip it again. So here I'm not going to add the condensed milk. So here you can see the cream is ready. It is forming thick and firm peaks like this, and even if I turn it upside down, it doesn't fall off. So this is the right consistency, and now we will start assembling it. So into a bowl now, first I'm adding one layer of the powdered biscuit powder along with some grated nuts, and then I'm adding one layer of cream. So once that is ready, next we will add another layer of the biscuit powder, and then we will also add some nuts. So the nuts, either you can powder it or you can have the grated nuts, and the quantity of nuts you can vary depending upon your taste. So here I'm also adding some grated chocolate, and then we will add the next layer of the whipping cream. So once we add the next layer of whipping cream, then we can start the garnishing. So we need to keep doing this process till depending upon the size of the bowl which you have taken. So once this is ready, now I'm going to garnish it again with some more nuts and some grated chocolate, and you can garnish according to your choice. So once this is ready, I'm just going to place another cherry on top so it looks beautiful. So as I told you, isn't it a very quick and easy dessert? Very tasty too. Hope you all liked it. Please do share your feedback. Thank you so much for watching.